Hey guys, nice to see you. It's Zach here, and I figured I'd be bringing another reviews to you guys, like food. I occasionally, like today, have the day off, and I go pick up a bunch of junk food. Just how I feel like spending the day. Went out drinking a lot last night, just kind of recovering. Just sitting around, and went to QT, and I found these Senor authentic Mexican taste. Duros de harina or wheat snacks from Chile Limon. Okay, obviously chili lime flavor. Wheat snacks, they're like puffs. Um, they smell like pork rinds, but I guess if they're wheat snacks, it'd be like a vegetarian pork rind. You can see they're little wheat snacks. Looks like they have flavored salts on them. And at first, I didn't expect them to be fried. It's a little weird, so it really kind of does make them like pork rinds or pork cracklings. You get the lime flavor, um, a little bit of the chili flavor. For someone who eats no hot foods, this has a little bit of spice, a little bit. For me, this has none. I can say that just because there's a slight tingle on the side of my tongue. There's no heat from that. I mean, it tastes. Sorry, I coughed and something salty. I don't know why, but it tastes okay. Um, yeah. So, random chip review here. Senor Tom's wheat snacks from Chile Limon. Well, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video, which I'll probably be reviewing. I'll probably have a series of little food reviews. So, see you guys later. Thanks for watching.